A heated debate. Does CO2 cause global warming? The Earth is getting warmer, glaciers are melting, sea levels are rising, extreme weather events are becoming more common. Many scientists and policymakers point to carbon dioxide or CO2 as the main culprit. They argue that human activities such as burning fossil fuels release massive amounts of CO2 into the atmosphere. This, they say, is trapping heat and warming the planet. However, some people remain skeptical, suggesting natural factors like solar activity or volcanic eruptions might be more significant. To form an informed opinion, we need to delve into the evidence and explore both sides of the debate. To understand the role of CO2 in global warming, we need to grasp the concept of the greenhouse effect. Solar radiation from the sun reaches our planet. Some of this radiation is reflected back into space, while the rest is absorbed by the Earth's surface, warming it. As the Earth's surface warms, it emits infrared radiation or heat. Greenhouse gases such as CO2, water vapor, and methane trap some of this outgoing heat, making Earth habitable. Since the Industrial Revolution, human activities have significantly increased CO2 levels, enhancing the greenhouse effect and causing global warming. Rising temperatures disrupt weather patterns, leading to more frequent and intense heat waves, droughts, floods, and storms. Melting glaciers and ice sheets contribute to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities. While the scientific consensus points to human-caused CO2 emissions as the primary driver of recent global warming, alternative viewpoints exist. Some argue that natural climate variability plays a more significant role, citing historical periods like the medieval warm period and the Little Ice Age. Others suggest that solar activity or volcanic eruptions might be more dominant factors in climate change. These alternative viewpoints raise valid points about the complexity of the Earth's climate system. However, multiple lines of evidence support the conclusion that human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels, are the dominant cause of the observed warming trend since the mid-20th century. The debate surrounding CO2's role in global warming is far from over. While the scientific community largely agrees on the basic principles of the greenhouse effect and the impact of human activities on atmospheric CO2 concentrations, uncertainties remain. Climate models are constantly being refined as our understanding of the Earth's climate system improves. It's crucial to acknowledge that climate change is a complex issue with multiple contributing factors. However, the weight of scientific evidence points to human-caused CO2 emissions as the dominant driver of the unprecedented warming observed in recent decades. Despite the ongoing debate, the potential consequences of climate change are too significant to ignore. Reducing our reliance on fossil fuels through investments in renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and developing carbon capture technologies are crucial steps. By acknowledging the scientific evidence, embracing innovation, and working together, we can mitigate the risks of climate change and create a healthier and more resilient planet for generations to come.